Okay, so here we have this is the honey super. Oops, just dropped it right. And you can see these bees are making honey. So this comb, oh yeah, I'll just take this out and look at it. Oh, top part here is filled. Those are all capped with honey. Nice. And you can take a look down in there. And there's another one. The top part is all capped with honey, so this is pretty good. This one, we got more over there. They need to build that up though. They need to build some more foundation. They're storing honey though. You see all that honey in there. I'm gonna taste it. Let me stick my finger in there. Oh, I got my veil on. I forgot. Kind of hard to taste through a veil, but these bees are so tame. Oh, that's good. These bees are so tame that I don't even need a veil right now. So I'm going to take out the 10th frame and give them a little bit more space to do their thing here. Oh yeah, look at all that. Ooh. Oh, lots of honey on that one. This is my gentle hive. This is my gentle hive.